Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how you can edit your photos like this. So first of all, duplicate your picture and go to filters and camera raw filters. First of all, decrease the temperature to -40. Increase exposure. Increase the contrast to 20. Increase shadows to 30 and decrease blacks to -30. After that, increase the clarity and saturation according to your picture. Then go to this section, luminance, and increase the luminance of orange and reds. Decrease the luminance of blues to -20-25. And then go to saturation, increase the saturation of reds, orange, and blues. Now in hue section, decrease the hue of green. I think the temperature is too low. So here is one of the methods, but if you don't want this lengthy method, you can also use the preset. Go to filters, camera raw filters, this section, and click this icon. You can download this filter from link given in the description below and press OK.